In both personal and professional spheres, risk is an inherent part of life. Whether you're launching a new business venture, embarking on a major project, or even planning a simple event, it's crucial to have a risk management plan in place. This plan serves as a roadmap to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks, helping you navigate uncertainty with confidence. Here's how to develop an effective risk management plan. 1. Identify risks. The first step in creating a risk management plan is to identify potential risks. This involves brainstorming and conducting a comprehensive analysis of all possible threats that could impact your project or venture. These risks can be internal, such as operational issues or employee turnover, or external, like market fluctuations or natural disasters. Encourage input from team members and stakeholders to ensure a comprehensive list. 2. Assess risks. Once you've identified potential risks, it's essential to assess their likelihood and impact. This step helps prioritize which risks to address first. A common method is to use a risk matrix, where risks are plotted on a grid based on their probability and severity. Risks in the high-impact, high-likelihood quadrant should be tackled as a top priority. 3. Develop risk mitigation strategies. For each identified risk, create a corresponding mitigation strategy. This involves determining what actions can be taken to reduce the likelihood of the risk occurring or to minimize its impact if it does. These strategies can include contingency plans, risk transfer, like insurance, or preventive measures. The goal is to have a clear plan in place for addressing each potential risk. 4. Monitor and review. Risk management is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Establish regular intervals for monitoring and reviewing the risk management plan. As your project or venture progresses, new risks may emerge, and the severity of existing risks may change. Stay vigilant and adapt your plan accordingly. 5. Communicate and educate. Effective communication is crucial in risk management. Ensure that all relevant stakeholders are aware of the identified risks and the strategies in place to address them. Additionally, educate your team on risk management procedures, making them active participants in the process. 6. Implement and test. Put your risk management plan into action. Execute the strategies you've developed and regularly test their effectiveness. This proactive approach ensures that you're well prepared if a risk materializes. 7. Learn and improve. After your project or venture is complete, take the time to evaluate how well your risk management plan worked. What went as expected and what didn't. Use these insights to improve your risk management process for future endeavors. In conclusion, developing a risk management plan is essential for navigating the uncertainties of any venture. By identifying, assessing, and addressing potential risks, you can enhance your project's chances of success while minimizing the negative impacts of unforeseen events. Remember, risk management is an ongoing process that requires attention and adaptability throughout the life of your endeavor.